Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that product name is a Markus office chair. I am purchasing this product from IKEA store, just only 1000 Danish krona. So in this video we will see unboxing and how I assemble this chair. We will see detailed demonstration. So now let's start. I'm purchasing this from located on Copenhagen, the Høje-Taastrup IKEA store. From my home to this store around 20 kilometers. So I carry this chair on my car. And I purchased this one little gray, white gray. So the chair is suitable for my wall and my heater. Look at this. This is color. Even how to fix the entire chair, they are providing some tools also, so no need to use any third-party tool. Okay. I open the box, everything is removed outside. अरे आराम से. First of all, I fix those one. This is the base. And for this one it's very easy, just pick this portion entire going to this hole, so you need to put little harder like this. So this portion is ready. Apart from that, you have no idea how to, so here some screws. We can just simply remove all screw out. If you have no idea how to fix it, so here is magic booklet also they are providing. Inside the magic booklet they are providing each and every information. Next process coming this one, so we can open this one. Okay, and again we need to open this one as well. So first of all, need to put it like this in down. Not required for me, so I just simply remove. So this portion going to the this way like this. So for screw fitting point of view, you have both two types of screw, black 6, black 5 and white 6. So you need to put it those one as a back side too, and those black as a front. Be carefully, because of the here this position little thick, so you need to use the large one, big one, because of this black is a little small. So and this portion is little harder, so you need to add the big one in back side and black one, small one in front side. Easy to fix all them. So without any help, you just watch my video and fix very easy on this chair. After that you have those 3 black screw, so you need to fix this one, not like this. So this scenario I'm using my table because of it's little heavy. If you single, so like this, I will show you. So this portion comes like this, so not like this, so this portion going to like this. After that you add here 3 screw, those 3 screw you have already, so you fix one by one. If you fix right position, so it's very easy and simple way to fix. If you your position little mess, so after that you need to put it more power. Almost my chair is done, so now I just simply ready to put it on this hole. It's too heavy and chair is ready. So where is this? So after fix this one, we have 4 screw and we have this one too. So each hand we need 2 screw, and after that almost your chair is done. So we need to add one more hand. Where is I fix proper? Both positions are same no matter how you fix, so just simply put it like this. So using this video you can very easily do unboxing as well as assemble the Markus chair, and this chair is really nice because of couple of years I'm continuously use this chair. I have already in black colors, so this time I'm using this time I'm purchasing this gray white. So if you really like this unboxing, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Wrongs. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.